No, that's true love, that is. Look how cute these two are together. They know I'm watching them, but they don't care. Look at that preening. They really are so sweet together, these two. I love seeing them out of the cage together, because whenever she's not sitting on eggs, she's so affectionate towards him. And him, her. It's just so sweet to see. How cute is that? It's just super sweet, that is. And it kind of looks like they're like giving each other hickeys and stuff. Hope he's telling her a secret. He's like, don't act up for the camera. Is one of them going to mount the other one? No? They need to have a bath because their tails are pretty dirty. Look at that tail. That is a really dirty tail. I'll give her a bath tomorrow. It's probably because she keeps dragging it in poo. She's like, what are you doing? You weren't touching my tail, were you? Sorry, babe. I had to.